Okay guys, let's go check out the garden. It is currently only 17 degrees Celsius here in Quebec, Canada. Zone 5, 5A, 5B. We're kind of like in the middle. It depends on what you look at that it changes all the time. So the garden is looking insane now. These are my cucumbers right here. You can see them going all the way up the trellis. Let's look at the zinnias. The zinnias are starting. A lot of them are open. More are coming. They're so cute. I just like, this one's huge. This one's like very, very puffy. And there's all different kinds of zinnias I have planted. So they're opening at different times. See, this one's different. It's frilly. Oh, look at this one. This is like a double zinnia. It's like a zinnia and then a zinnia growing out of it. I don't know. Nature. It's pretty cool. And these are the ones I was really waiting for. Only one is open so far. This is a candy cane zinnia. And you see the little stripes inside? It's got little red dots and stripes. So that's about the only one that's open right now. As you can see, the cucumbers are finally waking up. Yeah, my fault because, like I said before, I didn't start them ahead of time like I usually do in the greenhouse. And when I did put them in here, I planted over 40 seeds. And I had to do 2 rows and 2 plantings because germination was just garbage this year. So hopefully, it's like these are all playing catch up now. So hopefully we will get some cucumbers. Well, I want a lot of cucumbers because I want to pickle them. I want to make pickles. The cayenne peppers are going insane. And you can see them here. Really cool. They got to turn red. But they're really, you know, taking off. We have some more zinnias over here. Because I figured, why not? Let's plant them. They're pretty. It'll decorate the yard, you know. Here's all the cayenne peppers. It's going to be insane. I just walked through something. I don't know what that was. Oh, spider webs. Yeah, that's the only part I don't like, spider webs. This is carrots. And they're not bad, actually. They're starting to get pretty good. Let's see if we can find a carrot and see what one looks like. And see if we can get a good one. Maybe this one. Ah, there we go. Oh, I pulled another one. Casualty. So there we go. So they're not bad. They're like baby size. You can still eat them. Good for roasting. Eat them any way you want, actually. So those will have to go in our supper now that I've pulled them. Let's look at the celery. And the celery, look at the stalks it's getting. See that? That's a nice sized celery. Look at that. And that whole row, there's like 2 rows of celery. This is the parsnips. Now, I don't know how the parsnips are doing. Let's pull one just for fun. Sacrifice. Oh. Well, that's too small. I can't do anything with that. So they're definitely not ready. But every now and then I pull one just to see how it's going. This is more celery. This is turnips over here. And we got more zinnias here. So pretty. Bees love them. My zucchinis are going insane. Look at the zucchinis. They're just like very happy. They're very happy zucchinis. And I don't think I have any on here. Well, you know zucchinis, right? You think you don't have any and then, Let me show you something in the front yard that's kind of funny. Where we live, you're not allowed to put a garden in your front yard. So I have these 3 boxes that I usually buy annual flowers to put in. But I didn't do it this year because I just didn't get any. So I put zucchinis and nobody said anything yet. And this little pretty guy down here, this is a self-seeded one from last year. So he came back. I'm going to leave him alone because he's cute. But anyways, the whole idea was I put zucchinis here. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to put zucchinis here. If someone says anything, well, too bad. But that one's got a nice big zucchini that's ready. And I keep making zucchini soup and freezing it for the winter. Let's go back into the back. That makes sense. Okay, now the leeks are finally looking like leeks. Here we go. They're finally looking like leeks. They're still small, but they're a lot better. This is all the shallots, which look amazing. Let's get in here and pull one. There you go. So this is fantastic. I love these guys. Shallots, bunching onions, spring onions, whatever you call them. Now this, I'm so excited about, guys. This is cauliflower, and it's the first time I've had success growing cauliflower like this. Okay, can you see it? There's a head. Go over here. There's another head. And this one over here. Look at that. So it's not, they're not huge, right? But I grew cauliflowers. And actually a few of them in there have heads. These are the snow peas that are supposed to be yellow. This is a variety that's yellow, not green. Over here is the sunflowers. Still waiting for a head. I haven't got one yet. But they're over 4 feet tall now. Green beans. Okay, there's going to be a harvest today of green beans because I am officially loaded with green beans. Can you see them? And they're getting quite perfect. So they're going to have some of those for supper today. These are cabbages, and as you can see, there's like a whole bunch of them, but it's actually starting to form a head. Like it's hard. So I'm actually gonna have cabbages, which is so freaking exciting because never had luck growing them before. And over here is the broccoli. No broccoli yet. I have not seen any broccoli yet. Okay, and you come in here. Yeah, this is where all the kale mix is. And this is a lettuce mix. So that's looking fine. Okay, go into the backyard. My tomatoes are down here. Oh, but look at these peppers though. See that? Someone gave me those peppers and they just told me they're colored peppers, so we don't know what color. So Surprise, surprise, whatever it turns out to be. But the tomatoes look good. Look at that. Here's our bathtub with potatoes and zinnias. We have this huge, huge zinnia here. So you got two there. Okay. Got a nice orange one and a nice red one because they're so pretty. But this guy over here, holy cat, can I reach? Look at that. That's huge. Huge zinnia. And the potatoes, their edges are starting to get brown a little bit, but they're still fine. So that's about it, guys. Another garden tour. Oh, we put in blueberries. Got 3 more blueberries, so we've got 5 total now. Let's see the cats. Let's see the cats. Some of the cats. There's Pretzel on the left. That's Spicy Bean. He doesn't shut up. And that's Light Bean. He's more calm. And there they are. There's the little mongrels. You gotta love them. Well, keep growing, guys. I'll see you in the next one.